Make at home this crispy hot sweet and sour chicken, the one you can find at the Chinese takeaways. It will be delicious and it is easy to make. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by marinating the chicken. Cut the chicken pieces into escalope. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon. Put it with the chicken. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix and let it rest while preparing the sauce and the batter. Grate the ginger again. Take 1 teaspoon. Chop the garlic cloves. Cut the cilantro. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of chili paste, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 10 centiliters of water. Combine. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Soak the pot of malt syrup in hot water to make it malleable. Prepare the batter. In a mixing bowl, put 60 grams of rice flour, 20 grams of wheat flour, 20 grams of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Add 10 centiliters of water. Mix until getting a smooth batter. Let it rest while cooking the sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a saucepan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the garlic and the ginger. Regularly stir. When they start to be golden, put the sauce and turn on low heat. Briefly stir. Take 1 tablespoon of malt syrup, about 50 grams. It will melt in the sauce, stirring occasionally for 4 minutes. Add the diluted starch. Briefly stir. Add half the cilantro. Mix and turn off the fire. Preheat the oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Put the marinated chicken in the batter. Fry them for 6 minutes. Flip them from time to time. Take them out and let them drain on the rack. Cut them into pieces. Top them with the sauce. Sprinkle with the cilantro. Enjoy this chicken with bok choy and mushroom salad, as well as jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The batter gives the chicken a crispy skin, and this delicious, syrupy, hot sweet and sour sauce makes it really excellent. Enjoy it with vegetables for contrast and a touch of freshness. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.